Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a leg lift variation. Clasp your hands to the seat of your chair. Extend both your legs forward, keeping your spine straight and your core engaged. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong, moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while toning through your lower abs. Adding on, begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite leg. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Pausing at center, draw both knees in towards your chest. Adding a bicycle movement, begin to pedal your legs, drawing one knee in towards your chest as you extend through the opposite leg. Keep both legs elevated with your chest lifting and your navel back towards your spine, working through your abdominal muscles while toning and strengthening through your hamstrings and quadriceps. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.